Hey YouTube, today we're gonna make some cheesy bacon and egg muffins. So we're gonna use green peppers, some spinach, some bacon of course, and this here is yogurt cheese. I'm lactose intolerant, so this is a type of cheese that I gotta use for right now until I can find a different type of cheese that's gonna be good for my stomach. We're gonna season it up with some paprika, Himalaya pink salt, and some pepper. This is not really a recipe. This is just the ingredients, so you can put as little or as much bacon as you want. I got about 4 slices here, then I'm going to chop up into pieces and make 6 muffins. So we're going to start off with the spinach and just layer a small amount at the bottom, and then we're going to do the peppers and then the bacon. So really, you don't have to do it my way. As long as you put all the ingredients in each little tin and then fill it up with the eggs, everything's gonna cook together. It really doesn't matter which one you put in first. So now I'm gonna add in the bacon. You can add in as little as you want. You can chop them up smaller. These are pretty big pieces, but it's up to you. Whatever size you want to chop them up into. So just to let you know, each compartment of the muffins is 1 egg. I'm only going to put 1 egg in per muffin because I still need room for the cheese. So with the cheese, you can grate it or just put little small slices. I didn't grate it, so all I did was just cut up small pieces and put in there. You could do whatever you want to do. Yeah, I forgot to put the paprika. When I poured the eggs in the mixture, I forgot to tell you guys that I had already put salt and pepper in with the eggs. So I got it on a baking sheet. We're gonna put it in the oven for 350 for about 12 to 20 minutes. So this is what it looks like after it's done. It looks like a mess, but trust me, it was good. It came out tasty. It was really flavorful. If you guys make these muffins, let me know how yours turned out. They didn't look the greatest, but I'm telling you, it really tasted good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap this up. Cheesy bacon and egg muffins. If you make them, let me know how yours turned out. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next video.